Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the logging out issues on mobile app. The content of this presentation is a substantial contribution to the Spotify mobile application into the logout task based on usability tests, forums, and videos on social networks that user expose the difficulty of logging out from the mobile application as well as too many steps to perform the task, which become a specific problem in the case of a platform in which you can open a session in public or shared spaces such as office and schools in public computers, among others, in which case of forgetting to log out, privacy and security problems arise, for which is required to be able to enter from the mobile device to do the respective closing in the app, which close all the sessions for all devices. Let's take a look. The people, they found three problems to do the logout through the app, which is that is not visible in the main menu. There is not logout icon or button, and the logging out option is hide. Regarding this, here we can see the sequences, three steps that is needed in the app to complete the task. And my goal was to improve the user experience by making it easier to log out, making more intuitive and simplifying the steps within the Spotify app. Here we can see that the times that the problem was required or the task was required before to fix the problem was 50 seconds. And the people in the secondary research, they found it severe as a problem, thinking that is not just needed, that is fundamental to be able to do it, thinking about privacy and security. Here we can see that in the computer, you can complete the task by 2 steps, and in the mobile, you need 4 steps. Based on that, the pain point was how many steps the people need to complete the task and why it's important. The reason is thinking about security in case they need to close all the sessions that they have in computers and other devices by through the app. Here is the secondary research where people teach us how supposed to be the experience to logging out, uh, and something that is bad or bad ex- uh, experience for user is that is going to be high in the menus, inside the menus, which is the case of Spotify. How can we improve the Spotify logout that user can log out more easily? That is something that I try to solve in this sketch where you can see that I include the icon in the main menu, and after that, the confirmation box. Here we can see the design thinking that I create to be able to do that and to create the low and mid fidelity prototype. In conclusion, with this prototype that after that was tested, I include the logout icon in the main menu, and here you can see how was the prototype of the confirmation box to close the session. Here you can see how is gonna be the result of the prototype that I test, where the people they can click on the icon, after that the confirmation box, and after that they are gonna see the logo, and after that is gonna be they are gonna go to the login again. They are gonna finalize there. When I make the survey about this, I use as a group 3 users from premium version of Spotify and 2 users of free version, where the result of the question was that in conclusion, as a concept, they say is less time consuming, that is easy to understand, that they feel higher satisfaction, and they like it was fewer steps. And the action that before was taking 50 seconds now is taking with this prototype 18 seconds, where we can see that we ensure the user experience. Uh, all the group, they respond that they found very easy to complete the task to logging out. And as a takeaway was, to me, was a challenge to be able to get feedback of my classmates as well my professors, and to start to talk in another language which is not mine about the kind of solution that I can provide based on literature, because in this case was needed to find how it's supposed to be. Thank you so much for this time.